for their love for the sport. So we're really happy that we got the opportunity now as a national team to come here. We are excited, looking forward to the turnaround of the people, and let's win the 2 games together as a nation.
Thank you Meghalaya government for providing such an amazing facility.
Unang esagaan ke HNLC Bah Fernando Sang Peliang Lietho bag Unlawful Activities Prevention Act Tribunal kalapan pej ka kendai Tarik Iaiong kum ka Tarik kabahadian pat ban bisyar gejing ujor balamudoi da ka sang HNLC hadian bakala syaken bean sasan senam Haka Sorkar Pdeng Habakran ikilat patai kubor ka arpu Tarik uleber arajar arpusan Bah Fernando Sang Peliang Lietho bah gejing bisyar kebelalong menha ka sengisa jahan kebelalai lapar syang ban aiti yang syokos nerekat kum ki kendon ka tribunal kan amsya namar ba ka Tarik balabuk kalong ba ka khalai Tarik urampang arajar arpusan ka dega Tarik ban aiti ke jubab nejing persya ka bedai bat ka jing penjelan biang yak jing syaken bean Haka ba ka Sorkar Pdeng bat ka Sorkar Jylla klad ban aiti ki affidavit jongki Bah Fernando Sang Peliang ulong bakum tahun hak baniat syakamat hanor kania bada kateu kemenwan nak liang ka Sorkar Pdeng bak Sorkar Jylla kan sa IT ki kopi jong jing pensisya jongki rengkat bat ki affidavit bada ka kendai Tarik Iaiong sekali Jingkylli ya baru ki Sakhi bala IT ke Sorkar Pdeng bat ke Sorkar Jylla.
Today this is my first appearance before the tribunal. After I have appeared in the tribunal, the result is that from the tribunal I have made a submission that to allow me to submit my show cause on behalf of the organization HNLC. I have made my submission before the tribunal, before the court of Sumitra Sakhi, the learned justice of the High Court. I have made my submission that to allow me to submit my show cause on behalf of the organization HNLC. But as per the procedure of the tribunal, they were not allowed because the rule of the procedure, if the time has been fixed on the 13th of February 2025 to submit my reply or objection regarding the intention of to lift the ban HNLC for to make the HNLC as one of the organizations that it should not be banned for a period of 5 years. That is my argument on behalf of the tribunal. But just as I make earlier that the rule of tribunal not allowed. So my next point from the today only from the tribunal, they make clearly that from the state, from the union government, they have already submitted their affidavit. They have already filed the affidavit. Today I just enter appearance, but from my point of view, from my legal point of view, I try to submit my show cause. But as I stated you earlier that as per the rule of the tribunal, they were not allowed. So we have to proceed ahead for regarding the cross examination. So on by Monday, by next week, from the Union of India, they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit. Then the state also, they will on the next week they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit, and based on that, then from my side I have to go through what I have needed to before I go to for cross examination regarding all the witness that has been submitted by the Union of India and the state government. Based on that, on the 9th of April 2025, I have to cross all the witness in this instant case.